Probability. Probabilities are the study of chance. When we calculate the probability of something occurring, we are calculating the likelihood of it happening. Studying probabilities will allow us to answer questions like, what is the probability of rolling an even number with a die? Or what is the probability of picking 2 red balls from a bag with colorful balls? What is the probability of winning the lottery? And what is the probability that it will rain in Cyprus on last day of May this year? You can give a value to the chance of any of these outcomes or events happening, and millions of others as well. This value is called the probability. Before answering such questions, we need to learn some terminology related to probabilities. This is simply to know how to express ourselves in this topic. All probabilities lie somewhere on a scale between impossible and certain. The probability scale goes from 0 to 1, with 0 indicating that something is impossible and 1 that is certain. The probability of an event A is written as P of A, and this is a value between 0 and 1. Probabilities can be expressed either as fractions, as decimals, or as percentages. All probabilities fit somewhere on this scale. So here this is the lowest value for a probability, and it is impossible event, which is 0. Here we have 1 in 6 chance. You can write 1 over 6 as fraction or as decimal 0.16, which is recurring. An even's chance is in the middle, and in the middle of 0 and 1 is 1 over 2, and also you can express this one as a decimal 0.5, or you can write a percentage 50% that represents an even chance. There is an event likely to happen, so 4 in 5 chance here can be represented by 4 over 5 as a fraction, and as a decimal it is 0.8, and as a percentage it is 80%. And the certain event is 100% or 1 whole, or as a fraction 5 over 5, 10 over 10, in any case of giving us a whole number 1. Now let's label these probabilities on the scale, here given on the right of the page. Let's change the color. I will choose the green one. So in part A, we see that the probability of flying donkeys. The probability of flying donkeys is an impossible event, so it is here on the scale. So part A goes 0. Part B, the sun will rise tomorrow. Definitely the sun will rise tomorrow. So this is a certain event, and B is here. C, you will get ahead when throwing a coin. It is an even chance, so it is in the middle, represented by 1 over 2, so C goes here. D, you will get a 4 when throwing a die. It is this case, there is 4 face up on the die, so D is unlikely to happen. And you will watch a movie this week. Most probably I will watch a movie this week, so it is an event likely to happen, so E goes here. If ever in your calculations you find a probability greater than 1 or less than 0, you have done something wrong, Go back and check your working.